Meaning of hip.
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 Hip. The prefix hip dash has Greek origins and is used to denote something that is below or beneath normal or standard levels. It can also indicate a state of decreased activity or deficiency. The prefix is commonly used in medical terminology to describe conditions such as hypotension, which is low blood pressure, or hypoglycemia, which is low blood sugar. Additionally, it can be used in various other fields such as linguistics, chemistry, and physics to describe sublevels or underdevelopment. Overall, the prefix hip dash indicates a state of insufficiency or diminishment.